The GDP grew 3% this year. But what even is GDP? And why should you care? So, GDP stands for Gross Domestic Product. In simple words, it's the total value of everything a country produces in a year. Every product, every service, cars, coffee, haircuts, software, construction, all added together. Think of a country as a giant bakery. Every cake it bakes and sells in a year adds to its score. The bigger the bakery's output, the bigger its GDP. Now you may wonder, why does GDP matter? First, a growing GDP usually means more jobs, more income, and a healthier economy. Second, a shrinking GDP can mean businesses closing, people losing jobs, and tougher times. Governments, investors, and even you should care, because GDP is like the report card of a country's economy. But here's a catch. A high GDP doesn't always mean everyone is doing well. It just measures production, not happiness or fairness. A country can have a booming GDP while people struggle with inequality or rising prices. So why does it matter? Because GDP shows us the big picture, how fast the bakery is growing or shrinking, but it's not the whole story. To really judge an economy, you need to look beyond GDP, at how people actually live.